Oh, hello again, welcome to another brand new video. So you have downloaded this photo, and all over the photo there are watermarks, whether black or white. In this video I'm going to show you how to patch out or you remove this watermark so you can post your photo or you can use it in whatever thing the hell you want to do. So let's get into the video. Okay, so using two tools. First you use let's try and use this content aware field, and then we just hit on edit, and then you go to content aware field, and then you do that. And then there's another shortcut. You just select the edit and then hit on delete and enter. Then you would have patched that. And then so just do the same process to this other get images, just remove them. Okay, and so now this is our photo. This looks good. You can see this is the after and this is the before. Before, the after, before and after. So you can see a big difference here, and now you can post your photo very good. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it and subscribe, and see you on another one. Bye.